Hello. Welcome to Avalanche Abundance, your wealthy resource. I will be sharing with you today about an interesting topic in the world of fashion. Let's get started right away. Breaking the bank. The world's 15 most expensive bag brands, in no particular order. What makes a bag worth a small fortune? Is it the brand, the craftsmanship, or something more? The luxury handbag market is valued at over $50 billion. The significance of luxury bags in fashion and status. There are several criteria for expensiveness when dealing with bags. A bag's high price can be linked to the materials it is made from. This can be the type and quality of leather used, the craftsmanship of the maker, the brand heritage, and its nature of exclusivity. The top 15 most expensive bag brands. At number 1 is Hermes Birkin bag. The Hermes Birkin bag, introduced in 1984, epitomizes luxury and exclusivity. Born from a chance encounter between Jane Birkin and Hermes CEO Jean-Louis Dumas, this handbag combines impeccable craftsmanship with timeless style. Each bag is handmade, taking up to 48 hours to create, with limited availability fueling its allure. Coveted by celebrities like Kim Kardashian and Victoria Beckham, the Birkin has become a status symbol, with prices often soaring into the hundreds of thousands. Its rarity and artistry transform it into more than just a handbag. It's a timeless investment and a testament to elegance. This bag's prices range from $10,000 to $300,000 and even more. And at number 2, we have Chanel's Classic Flap Bag. Chanel's Classic Flap Bag, introduced in 1955 by Coco Chanel herself, revolutionized women's fashion. With its iconic quilted leather and signature gold chain, it symbolizes timeless elegance and empowerment. Originally designed for practicality, the bag allows women to go hands-free while exuding sophistication. Worn by style icons from Audrey Hepburn to Kate Moss, it transcends generations. Each flap bag tells a story of luxury and rebellion against traditional fashion norms, making it a must-have in every wardrobe. With its enduring appeal, the classic flap is not just an accessory, it's a legacy of chic femininity. The bag's prices usually sell at a staggering $5,000 to $10,000 or even more. It is a remarkable piece of art and is noted for its stylish rhombus knitted designs. At number 3, showcasing Louis Vuitton's Keepall. The Louis Vuitton Keepall bag, launched in 1930, epitomizes the spirit of adventure and luxury travel. Designed for globetrotters, its sleek canvas and leather construction combine style with practicality. Initially popular among the elite, the Keepall quickly became a staple for jet-setters and celebrities alike. Its roomy interior and iconic monogram allow for effortless packing without sacrificing elegance. Over the decades, the Keepall has witnessed countless journeys, from glamorous getaways to bustling city escapes. More than just a travel bag, it embodies a lifestyle of exploration and sophistication, making it a timeless companion for the modern wanderer. This beautiful work of art is priced starting from $2,000 to $5,000 or higher. Number 4, Gucci's Dionysus. The Gucci Dionysus bag, launched in 2015, is a stunning fusion of history and modernity. Inspired by the Greek god Dionysus, known for revelry and transformation, this bag features a distinctive tiger head clasp, symbolizing strength and power. Crafted from luxurious materials, the Dionysus marries vintage charm with contemporary flair, quickly becoming a favorite among fashionistas. Its bold designs and eclectic patterns reflect Gucci's daring spirit under Alessandro Michele's creative direction. Embraced by celebrities and influencers, the Dionysus bag is not just an accessory. It's a statement of individuality and celebration, embodying the essence of modern luxury. This gorgeous piece of art is priced from $2,000 and $3,500 or more. Standing at number 5 is Dior's Lady Dior. The Lady Dior bag, introduced in 1995, is a symbol of elegance and empowerment. Initially named Choo Choo, it was rebranded in honor of Princess Diana, who famously carried it, solidifying its status as an icon. Crafted from luxurious canage-stitched leather, the bag's refined silhouette exudes timeless sophistication. It seamlessly blends classic charm with modern versatility, appealing to fashion lovers and royalty alike. Each bag carries a legacy of grace, representing a woman's strength and style. The Lady Dior transcends trends, embodying a fusion of art and fashion, making it a cherished piece for generations to come. With prices ranging between $3,000 and $1,000, it is a top choice for simplicity, but yet stylish. At number 6 is Fendi with Peekaboo. The Peekaboo is undoubtedly alluring. It is the symbol of a classic everyday bag that balances elegance with style, made from durable, exquisite materials and designed to complement your style. Launched in 2009, embodies playful elegance and Italian craftsmanship. With its unique design featuring a signature peekaboo opening, it invites curiosity and surprise. Crafted from luxurious materials, the bag seamlessly blends sophistication with versatility, perfect for any occasion. Its name reflects its dual nature, elegant yet mischievous, much like the women who carry it. Celebrities like Kim Kardashian and Adele have embraced its charm, making it a staple in high fashion. The peekaboo is more than just a bag. It's a canvas for self-expression, symbolizing a modern woman's dynamic lifestyle and individuality. It sells from $3,000 to $6,000 and even more. Wait a minute. If you like this video but are not yet subscribed to this channel, now is a good time to click the subscribe button, and the notification bell to support our page. Now, let's get back to the video. Coming up at number 7 is Prada with the Galleria bag. It is a magnificent piece that is well crafted from the inside out, yet amazingly light, which makes it a top choice for the trendy and stylish, and a price ranging from $2,000 to $4,000 and more. Number 8, Bulgari. The Bulgari Serpenti bag is a mesmerizing fusion of elegance and bold design, inspired by the allure of the serpent. Launched in the 1940s, its iconic silhouette features a striking snakehead clasp, adorned with vibrant gemstones, symbolizing transformation and rebirth. Crafted from luxurious leather, the bag effortlessly combines artistry with functionality, making it a favorite among fashion icons. Each Serpenti bag tells a story of seduction and sophistication, appealing to those who embrace their inner strength. With its timeless charm, the Serpenti is not just an accessory. It's a statement piece that captures the essence of modern luxury. With a price tag starting at $3,500 to $5,000. Number 9, Valentino Rock Stud. The Valentino Rock Stud redefines edgy elegance in the luxury fashion landscape. Priced between $2,500 and $4,500 and higher, these striking bags showcase a perfect blend of classic Italian craftsmanship and contemporary flair. Adorned with signature pyramid studs, the rock stud exudes a rebellious spirit while maintaining an air of sophistication. Each piece is meticulously crafted from premium leather, reflecting Valentino's commitment to quality and detail. Worn by celebrities and fashion aficionados alike, the rock stud bag effortlessly elevates any outfit, making a bold statement. It's not just an accessory, it's a symbol of confidence and style, appealing to those who dare to stand out. Number 10, Balenciaga with City Bag. The Balenciaga City Bag, a street-style icon since its debut in 2001, captures the essence of modern luxury, priced between $1,500 and $3,000 and more. This bag combines edgy design with unparalleled versatility. Crafted for soft leather, its slouchy silhouette and distinctive hardware make it a favorite among fashion lovers and celebrities alike. The City Bag effortlessly transitions from day to night, embodying a laid-back yet chic aesthetic. With its spacious interior and timeless appeal, it's the perfect companion for those who embrace an urban lifestyle. More than just a handbag, the Balenciaga City Bag is a statement of confidence and individuality. Number 11, Bottega Veneta Cassette Bag. The Bottega Veneta Cassette Bag is a striking embodiment of luxury and innovation, commanding attention with its distinctive woven design and modern silhouette. Priced between $2,000 and $5,000 and higher, this bag redefines sophistication while remaining effortlessly cool. Its iconic intrecciato craftsmanship showcases Bottega's dedication to artisanal techniques, turning each piece into a work of art. Available in a vibrant palette, the cassette stands out with its bold colors and soft leather, making it a versatile accessory for any wardrobe. The adjustable strap allows for effortless wear, whether crossbody or as a clutch. Beloved by fashion icons and celebrities, the cassette bag is more than just an accessory. It's a statement of individuality and style. With its unique blend of contemporary flair and timeless elegance, the Bottega Veneta cassette bag is a must-have for anyone looking to elevate their fashion game. Number 12, Celine's Luggage Tote. The Celine Luggage Tote Bag redefined luxury and practicality when it debuted in 2010. Its sculptural silhouette and bold color palette quickly captured the hearts of fashion lovers. Designed by Phoebe Philo, it symbolizes effortless elegance and modern femininity. Often spotted on the arms of icons like Kate Moss and Emma Roberts, the tote blends high fashion with everyday utility, embodying a sense of casual sophistication. It's not just a bag, it's a statement of confidence and style that transcends trends. The collection is priced from a whopping $2,500 and $4,500. Number 13. The Salvatore Ferragamo Gansini bag is a stunning fusion of Italian craftsmanship and timeless elegance, priced from $1,500 to $3,500 or higher. This iconic bag features the signature Gansini clasp, a symbol of sophistication that instantly elevates any outfit. Crafted from luxurious leather, the Gansini bag stands out with its sleek lines and versatile design, making it perfect for both day and night. Available in an array of colors and textures, it effortlessly complements any style while showcasing Ferragamo's rich heritage of artistry. With its spacious interior and practical design, this bag is as functional as it is fashionable. Loved by celebrities and fashion enthusiasts alike, the Salvatore Ferragamo Gantini bag is more than an accessory. It's a statement piece that embodies confidence and refined taste. Embrace a piece of luxury that promises to stand the test of time. Number 14. Miu Miu with Matelassé bag. The Miu Miu Matelassé is a symbol of youthful rebellion and chic sophistication. Crafted from plush leather with its signature quilted design, it effortlessly combines elegance with a playful spirit. First launched in the early 2000s, it quickly became a favorite among fashionistas, embodying Miu Miu's daring ethos. Worn by celebrities like Emma Stone and Bella Hadid, the bag tells a story of carefree glamour, making it a timeless accessory that elevates any outfit with a touch of whimsy. The collection price range begins at $1,800, up to $3,000 and higher. And finally at number 15 is Alexander McQueen's Skull Clutch. The Alexander McQueen Skull Clutch is more than just a striking accessory. It embodies the designer's genius and a deeper narrative. First unveiled in the 2003 collection, the clutch features a metallic skull clasp adorned with jeweled eyes, merging elegance with an edgy Gothic allure. This piece reflects McQueen's fascination with the duality of beauty and darkness, serving as a statement on mortality and the transient nature of life. Celebrities like Lady Gaga and Sarah Jessica Parker have donned the clutch, amplifying its iconic status and daring aesthetic. Behind the allure lies McQueen's struggles with identity and acceptance, as he often channeled personal pain into his art. The skull clutch symbolizes a celebration of life's fragility, inviting wearers to embrace their uniqueness. It's not just a bag, it's a conversation starter, a piece of history, and a testament to the late designer's profound impact on fashion. It is priced at a modest $1,500 to $3,500, and even more. While these bags are undeniably beautiful, they also represent a status symbol. What does it say about us when we chase these luxury items? Are they worth the investment, or are we just paying for the name? If you enjoyed this deep dive into luxury bags, hit that like button, subscribe for more engaging contents. Also, let us know your favorite brand in the comments section. We love to hear from you.